In this video I'll show you a short example of how Hoolock can generate an action listener with associated methods for you. This class is pretty much the base Jamie application with some camera changes. We're going to create a new class that will handle our input. I will make it an app state, but it could be any type of class you want. So we right click to bring up the context menu and select Insert Code and then Make Action Listener. Here we get to enter the data we want to generate. First the name of the action, then the key associated with it, and the corresponding method to call when the key is pressed. And there you have it, the boilerplate code is done. Now we just need to hook up everything. Time for a test run. All seems to work as intended. Thank you for watching.